Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play Forza Horizon 6 on the Xbox app for PC using a PlayStation controller like DualSense or DualShock. By default, some PlayStation controllers may not work properly with Xbox app games on Windows. So to fix this, you can use a third-party app called DS for Windows. First, open your browser and search for DS for Windows. Go to the official DS for Windows website. Download the latest version, then extract the downloaded file. After extracting it, open the folder and run ds4windows.exe. Once the app opens, connect your PlayStation controller to your PC using a USB cable or Bluetooth. Now inside DS4Windows, click Start if needed and wait for your controller to appear in the list. When your DualSense or DualShock controller shows up, it means Windows is now detecting it properly. After that, open the Xbox app, launch Forza Horizon 6 and your PlayStation controller should work in the game. Just keep in mind, the game may still show Xbox button icons on screen even though you are using a PlayStation controller. That's normal because most Xbox app games are designed around Xbox controller layouts. And that's it. Now you can play Forza Horizon 6 on PC using your PS controller. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.